Hey, what's up guys? In this today's video I'm gonna tell you exactly about how you can withdraw your money from your Fiverr account using your mobile phone. आप अपने मोबाइल से किस तरह से फाइवर से पैसे निकाल सकते हैं, तो आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ। तो मैं चलता हूँ अपने फाइवर अकाउंट पे और आपको दिखाता हूँ कि मेरे पास अवेलेबल बैलेंस जो है $152 है इस टाइम। तो मैं इसको विड्रॉ कराने लगा हूँ। इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है न्यू अकाउंट पे, तो I have to go to Google Chrome. Okay, here you have to go to the search bar, and here you have to enter Fiverr.com. You have to click on the top three buttons, and you have to click on desktop site. Okay, here is exactly the same thing that will help you in withdrawing your money from your Fiverr account using your mobile phone. ओके, आपने यहाँ से क्लिक करना है थ्री डॉट्स के ऊपर। ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे हमने क्लिक करना है और थोड़ा सा वेट करना है। अगर आपको थ्री डॉट्स शो नहीं हो रहे तो मैं यहाँ पे आपको एक साइन दे देता हूँ। यहाँ से आपके पास शो हो नहीं, तो यहाँ से हमने क्या करना है, हमने रेवेन्यूज पे क्लिक करना है। सेलिंग के नीचे रेवेन्यूज का ऑप्शन है, तो हमने उस पर क्लिक कर देना है और यहाँ पे वेट करना है। हमारे पास ये अवेलेबल आ जाएगा। यहाँ पे मैं फंड अपने हाइड कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट वांना शो यू माय एक्जिस्टिंग फंड्स और माय अर्निंग्स एनीमोर। ओके, फ्रॉम हियर you have to click on bank transfer, and now it is asking me to withdraw my funds into my Payoneer account. You have to click on confirm and withdraw, and you have to wait first, and that's it. From here you can see that here is the $150 are on the way. We have to click on that's great, and we have to go back to our homepage, and we have to click on the JazzCash app. What is JazzCash app? JazzCash is an application which helps you to withdraw your money in Pakistan easily. Okay, we're going to the JazzCash, and we are going to check our account balance, that our funds are transferred or not. We have to, I will just put my fingerprint, and it will now load my account. We have to wait for it. Okay, now we have to click on Payoneer at the top, second last option, and we have to wait. Now $199. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, now we are gonna withdraw this this money actually. Okay, now we are gonna withdraw $199, and its 2% fees will be deducted from the Upwork or sorry Payoneer. So I have to put 19 5.6. Okay, here is 31,403, and I will click on tick mark, and I will click on transfer. And I don't know if this allows me, if it's good. Now I will click on use touch ID, and I will put my fingerprint on it, and I hope this will withdraw my money. And let's wait. It's happening, and we are waiting for the funds to be delivered to our account. It's so easy in Pakistan that you can get your money in real time, and we are gonna wait for some more time. Okay, so we are still waiting because it's transferring our money, and we have to wait for it. It will be done, and it's done. Okay, now $195.6 have been withdrawn to our JazzCash account. We have to click on cancel, and here you can see I have now 31,403 rupees 17 paisas in my account. Now I will get my money in few time, and I will refresh this, and you can see it's 31,404 rupees and 81 paisa in my account right now. And here you can easily withdraw your money from Fiverr to your Payoneer account, and Payoneer to your JazzCash account. And hope to like this video. If you do, please subscribe this channel and do share with your family, friends, and I will get back in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.